Oh yeah. Guess we'll see how this shit works. Last time I used Noiko, that stuff I had no complaints about at all. It's only the trunk kit. 20 square feet though. I should be able to do some work with that. I thought it was going to come in a box, like with flattened sheets that I could just unfold and use, but it's all... I'll turn on more light. I don't know, in the reviews it says that it's like pretty much as close as you're gonna get to the Second Skin Damplifier Pro. I don't know. A lot of people were saying that. Yep, I got the roller, so we will see. Right now the truck rattles like crazy.